Are you tired of the limitations of Unity's built-in invoke method? What if I told you there's a better, more flexible alternative? Today, I'll show you how to create a custom delayed action caller, a powerful tool for calling actions with a delay. First, let's see the limitations of using built-in invoke method. Invoke cannot pass arguments to the method being called. Once started, you can't cancel the invoke. Invoke requires you to pass the method name as a string. This can lead to runtime errors if the method name is misspelled or changed without updating the string reference. Invoke doesn't work with lambda expressions or anonymous methods. Let's solve this by creating our own solution for calling delayed method calls. Create a static class. Inside the class, add a static method that returns an IEnumerator and takes two parameters. The first is the time delay for the action, and the second is the action to execute after the delay. After the specified delay, execute the past action. Next, create another static method to start the coroutine we just made. This method will be an extension method for monoBehavior, so we used this keyword in the parameter along with monoBehavior. If you'd like a full tutorial on extension methods, let me know in the comments and subscribe for updates. Call monoBehavior's start coroutine method and execute the coroutine method by calling it directly inside. This triggers the coroutine and executes the action after the given delay. Return the started coroutine, so you can cancel it later if needed. To enable cancellation, create another method that handles this functionality. This method takes a coroutine as a parameter since we need the reference to stop it. Simply call monoBehavior's stop coroutine method and pass in the coroutine reference to stop it. That's it. Our tool is ready. I created a basic scene with a character. The character has a script attached to it. To use our callWithDelay method, simply type this.callWithDelay. Then provide the delay time as the first argument. After that, pass any action you want to execute after the delay. You can pass any method, whether it takes parameters, has no parameters, or even use a lambda function. This method handles everything in one place seamlessly. Here are a few examples to demonstrate how you can use it to fit your specific needs. The last example shows how to cancel a delayed call by storing its reference in a variable and stopping it later. Next, watch this video. It's also a good video like this. Hopefully you will discover something new in it as well.